Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5 offline step by step. Start by disconnecting your console or PC from the internet, then launch the game. Choose a local profile or offline save when prompted, and confirm any cloud save warnings. Next, set your difficulty, assists, and audio preferences to avoid interruptions. Finally, enter the festival map and pick an event to race without online features active. To ensure a stable offline session, disable cloud saves in your console or PC settings before starting Forza Horizon 5. When the game displays any cloud save alerts, choose to keep local files. If you want extra safety, manually back up your local save to a USB drive or another storage option. These steps prevent accidental overwrites and keep your offline progress safe and consistent for solo play. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I keep on my desk, great for long play sessions and snacks between races. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a set. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Playing offline gives you relaxed time to explore the map and experiment with cars. Use photo mode, free roam, and local tuning to refine setups without competitive stress. Focus on single-player championships, PR stunts, and bucket list events to earn credits and unlock cars. Remember to save frequently and test handling in different weather conditions so your builds perform well when you later reconnect or switch profiles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.